After completing my 4-year graduation in civil engineering, I did a diploma course in interior designing in Pune. While working for very renowned brands of interior and simultaneously executing my very own sites as a freelancer, a journey of a theatre artist began. Since last 2 years, I am exploring myself as a theatre artist. And right now I am planning to take it as my full-time career also. I explicitly want to mention that the institute played a very vital role in exploring and discovering myself as an artist. The institute provided me the platform where I could perform, I could learn, and I could grow as an artist. And of course, all because of the unconditional support of my teaching and non-teaching staff, I was able to balance in between my academics and my passion. The most important thing I want to mention that all because of the social outreach programs which were held by the institute, I was able to enrich myself with very beautiful values as a human being. And I could knew the responsibility of mine towards the society. And I think this is the need of time.
It's a pleasure to share my experience about the college. I was fortunate to be a part of such institute who grew me a better and successful person today. This college not only helps to achieve my goals but also taught how to sustain in today's world and made me a stronger person through the various activities held during the college days. Like Decathlons. Decathlons is a national level competition held by this institute. I would like to express my gratitude toward the faculties, those who supported me directly and indirectly throughout the graduation days. My best wishes to the college for the future endeavors. Proud to be an alumni of PR Pote College of Engineering, Amravati. Thank you.
Being a part of PR Pote Patil Group of Educational Institute was a remarkable experience. Right from being a team leader to a stage performer to gaining confidence and then cracking interviews. To be honest, it's been wonderful 4 years for me with lots of opportunities and lots of experiences where I have developed myself both as an individual and as a professional. This institute has given me ample amount of opportunities to showcase what I am capable of. I'm really grateful to all my teaching and non-teaching staff for all their constructive and valuable efforts. This campus has a lot to offer to every individual that walks into it. I wish all the best to all the prospective students. Thank you.
I can say that the 4 years that I've spent in PR Pote Patil Institute, it was one of the golden experiences of my life. And my department always had my back, no matter what field it is, whether it is sports, whether it is cultural, whether it is academics, they always had my back. And the guest lectures from various educated people of various backgrounds have always motivated me to push my boundaries further beyond. Talking about the tech launch, I would say it is one of the best tech fest that our institute organizes annually, and also the institute takes all the toppers from all the branches out for a foreign tour every year, which is kind of nice for students. I must say the lessons that the whole teaching and non-teaching faculties taught me have shaped my life into such a decent personality, which I would say is now capable of handling any situation, no matter what part of world you are in. I really appreciate all the efforts that the whole institute took towards me. Thank you very much.
One of the most amazing things given by this campus in my graduation days is Decathlons. Decathlons is a technical festival organized by this campus every year. It was inaugurated by Honorable Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir in year 2011. We feel very blessed that we have witnessed the amazing speech given by Honorable Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. Decathlons is an event where we have got a great technical exposure through various inspirational and motivational speakers. Every time, it gives me the immense pleasure that I have been a part of this PR Patil group of educational institutions for making my career successful. Today, I really feel proud to share my amazing experience of my 4-year journey with you all.